hair, huh? Not bad, a little bit of water and blow dryer, huh? All right, let's get out of here. Okay, so we're here in my kitchen. You know, one of the first things I like to do is get a nice glass of water. So, water in the morning is good for you. So that's what they say. So my morning routine, get up, head to the restroom, clean up the face a little bit. Drink about half a cup to a cup. You know, they say try to drink two tall glasses. Nah, I just drink what I feel. All right. Let's try to bring the heart rate up just a little bit. All right, let's do this. All right, man, I'm here in my backyard. Here's my son, Dion. He's up. We're gonna do, this thing is called crossrope. I'm gonna put a link. I just started doing this. This is a really nice jump rope. It comes with 4, a quarter pound, half pound, 1 pound, and 2 pound. And yeah, man, it's quite expensive, but I think it's worth it. All right, this is a little footage of me and my son working out a little bit. All right, we just finished. So what we did like a pyramid. We started with 25, 50, 75, and 100. I kind of got too tired, so instead of 100, I went to 100 once. The goal was to do 5 sets of 100s and come down. And the key is this: if you mess up, if you're not consistent, let's say I got to 95 and I mess up, the thing is we got to start over. So sometimes you'll see, sometimes we got to like 40 or 50, we have to start over. Anyways, this is not too hard, but it does get the heart rate up. What'd you think, Dion?
Light workout, not too hard,
But it's good for the morning, get the heart rate up. All right, let's go shower up. Here we go. That's what happens when your hands get tired. Holding on to these half-pound jump ropes is no joke, you know. A lot of times we're used to the real light, maybe a quarter pound or so, the half pound, just a little bit heavier. But it's great, kind of burns the forearm. All right, let's get some water, drink up, shower up, for the rest of the day. All right, just got out of the shower. Hey guys, I want to talk to you guys a little bit about taking a cold shower. It's really easy right now, especially it's the summer. It's so hot and everything. It's definitely, especially after you work out. So the benefits of taking a cold shower, I don't know if you guys want to search it up, but for sure there's a lot of benefit. Like I said, one of the videos I did with my boy Romy was taking an ice bath. But normally, you know, taking cold showers, great for your skin, great for your metabolism, great for your overall health. All right, guys. Yeah, man, that's my morning. Try to live a healthy lifestyle. You know, this channel is about dance, but it's not just about dance. To me, it's about living healthy, pursuit of happiness, right? Pursuit of wealth, health, and the happiness that you want for your life. Everybody be healthy. Everybody live happily. And glad you guys are with me. All right.